How to disable automatic transcription in Audiate. First of all, open Audiate and go to the Settings menu located in the top bar. Next, find the Transcription language section and from the drop-down, uncheck the option labeled Transcribe Audio on Import to disable automatic transcription. This will stop Audiate from automatically transcribing your audio files when you import them, giving you full control over when and how transcription occurs. If you want to transcribe manually later, you can always enable the Transcribe Audio on Import option again or trigger transcription from the menu whenever you are ready. Turning off automatic transcription helps save processing time and reduces distractions, allowing you to focus on other parts of your audio editing. After disabling the feature, close the Settings menu and import your audio file to confirm the change. And that's it. Now you know how to disable automatic transcription in Audiate. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.